Go to Access Management, Daily Intervals. Click the green Add button to add daily interval. Enter the description of daily interval, then set interval start time and end time. Click the green Save and Close button to proceed adding new daily interval. Now go to Weekly Schedules. Click the green Add button to add weekly schedules. Now enter the description of schedule. Then set desired daily interval by day of a week. Click the green Save and Close button to proceed. You can set the schedule as default by clicking the orange Set as Default button. Go to Access Group, then click the green Add button. Enter the description for the new access group, then select the desired door. After that, select an entry and exit schedule for the door selected of this access group.